What? For the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? Hey, yo, franchise the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing. You know what go already? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Gaza Nation, tell me the truth. You think the boy named CCP can show on himself like this? Eh? Do you think the boy named CCP can show on himself like this? No, him can't do it. Because him not credible Gaza Nation. I'm going to tell you something. Me tell you already, you know. Say me go leave them, you know, because the whole week, you know, was to the world bought and promote him album, you know. But here we go on, me tell you already, you know. Say upon Sunday, I go deal with them, you know, when I have time, feed. They see what I deal with. So here we go on, a total burnout I go and write about now, you know. Because I see a big crazy shit I see go on the internet. You need to know, say, on the internet, you don't have nothing but bad mind, grudgeful, corrupt, and nasty and dirty people who search the internet for all type of gas up, whether for play upon people downfall, or for bring down people, or for deal with people in a manner where them think so well then them not like the people them throw the people them structure them life and the success where the people them are gain off of them ability. Yo, watch me now, man. First thing I go say R.I.P. to Sensia, see? And our family, you see me? Condolence goes out. You see what I deal with? I can't even imagine where it feel like. You know what I mean? To lose your mother, because remember your mother that bring you come into the world, you know. You see what I deal with? You never can know that until that happen to you. You see what I deal with? So I say condolence to her and stay strong. And you have a whole heap of people in the world who love your girl. So strong up, you see what I deal with? Watch. So after the girl mother drop out now, you know, you still have crosses people I come out and I tell the girl about she sacrifice her mother. What's wrong with them look nasty stinking people here? Eh? Alright then. Killer buy 2 beds. Then and post up one of them. I make them know a brand new machine there on the street. And a lollipop thing. And then you got hear people come out and say immediately I obtain put up video and I throw words off a killer. I obtain couldn't crazy for do that, you know, because I wait for hear I obtain opinion on that, you know, because I know I obtain and killer and have nothing. The last time I check them did good. And first thing, I obtain say put the big Benz on the washing stand. So him can't want him alone for put Benz on the washing stand, you know, because him alone live in this world. So me not think him could have all time sense for say well then a killer him a throw a shade span. You see what I deal with? Alright. Right now Vybz Kartel drop the big bad album, you know. Nothing ever either go on, you know. First you hear all of the bloggers them, especially the one them from MVP, the thing where them all elaborate pan, you know, is that Alkaline the number 1, 2 and 3, you know, on the iTunes chart of Jamaica, you know. That's where everybody that elaborate pan and them claim Vybz Kartel fall off. The man dropped the big bad album, the Grammy album, Should Speak. And you have this boy named Sister P. Me don't know if I pay people pay him and put him up to it. You see what I deal with? Him post up thing on film page about Vybz Kartel did a plan for murder Popcorn and all of them shit there. You see what I deal with? Right now the 2 man them, you know, Vybz Kartel address it, you know, and tag Popcorn, you know. And Popcorn tag back the same thing to Kartel and dead with laugh, you know. For sure you say, you know, this boy, you know, when named CCP, you know. I know him probably in him house and I laugh when him in the house. But when the time him come on the road, him afraid as fuck. All when nobody don't know him. I guarantee you that. You see what I deal with? Yeah. I know that. So them boy they now live comfortable in himself because of true the look of internet money why he must skin out himself like a prostitute like that on the internet would be a lollipop thing. That's what I deal with. Yeah. And him the look of one named CMR take it up and claim say him have advice to Vybz Kartel. What kind of advice CMR could have for Vybz Kartel now, Gaza Nation? When we watch CMR on the same internet, you know, just because of money, you know, them a sell out them ambition, you know. Let me tell you something. Him there on the internet, him and him girl, you know, blindfold himself and make him girl stand up over him and a draw down her tights and a push her pussy in him face. So me ask you something. What kind of pussy meat face boy can chat to Vybz Kartel and not tell him about advice? Eh? And at them way there you want slap, at them way there you want skin out yourself like a bitch on the internet. And first thing, your girl, the same girl who push her, the something where she wee out her in your face. She on the internet and I tell Nightly Fix say she love body wash. Eh? So what kind of people them is these people, my virgin? What kind of people? I just going to show you how the internet get people, you know. Yo, Gaza Nation, let me tell you something. You see when time you adapt and when you accept, it's easy for you to move on. I'm going to show you how strong Vybz Kartel is and how them man they accept and adapt. Let me tell you something. Before Vybz Kartel reach a prison, you know, my virgin, Vybz Kartel are one of the highest dancehall paid artists in the world, you know. And in a gimmicks business, man, I tell you about, you know. Before him go to prison, you know. And them lock down Vybz Kartel a prison. Until them lock him down, you know, him can't do no show and them thing there. So all in their mind, them feel like the boss are going to get mash up on them thing there. You know the boss though? Accept say Jamaica a fuck idiot government system, a fuck idiot court system, you see what I deal with, and justice system. The man accept that. You know what I mean? Because the man make you know say a Privy Council long time and make you know how them go. You see what I deal with, so here what go on now. Vybz Kartel accept say well then. Them boy you not gonna let me out, you know. And for them think we don't see what them do. Him accept say a prison there, you know what him do? Him find ways and means how to search out the world and search out what type of music him should put out there for the world gravitate to. So right now, you know, the man find it and sell him and sell music right about now. You see what I deal with? Just because him accept where him there. You see what I deal with? I know him have to come up with different strategy because I like him can go tour and go no show no more. You see me? Him have to find the remedy for make music sell. And that I go right about now. You see what I deal with? The man a sell music. And it's not even a lollipop thing, a real life thing me I tell you about. And you know, gimmicks business. But I just want for sure now how dirty heart and how bad mind people is and how wicked the people them is where they on the internet. We search the internet at the time. So sometimes you as an individual you have to know where you put out there, you know. You see what I deal with? And the people them now no care, no regards nobody now whatsoever. Them do anything for make $1, my virgin. A real talk me I make. But anyway, you know, we are going to say big up Shorty, you know, Tanisha, you know, world boss wife, you know, world boss first lady. Because 3 boys she give him and that's rich. That's what you call rich. You see what I deal with? His name can never ever go away. Right now, a 3 bull lot in the pen and a lollipop thing, you know what I mean? A real talk. So here we are going, right about now. We love how Shorty come out and I promote the world boss music. Because the people them love Wagwan and respect her and love her and the look of youth them. I think more time you know she for do that thing the often. Probably them all can do all a reality show because them have it, you hear that? Them have the whole place locked and a gimmicks business. The people them love and respect her. That's what me I deal with. And to how good Shorty look right now, anytime she come on the internet and shake up herself to any type of Vybz Kartel thing, it sell off first class. And on a lollipop thing, you know what the general, the 10 star wanna represent in a full effect. And you know each and every time when I represent, you know a loud explosion about ya. What? You hear me, man? 10 star, you know. The chosen one. The people's champion. Hear me? God's a favorite. Watch.